Welcome back to the Gridbox Zero series. Fields are the foundation of Gridbox Zero. They define the structure of your content and determine what kind of information your application will store. Before we start building our event application, we need to take a closer look at fields, what types are available, how to add them, and what basic settings they include. In this video, we will explore how fields work in Gridbox Zero and how to use them when building your content structure.
As you already learned in the previous lesson, all fields are added inside the Item Layout Editor. So let's open the Item Layout Editor. In Gridbox, fields are implemented as plugins. To add a new field, right-click to open the context menu and select Add New Plugin. Inside the list of available plugins, you will find a dedicated group called Fields. Let's start with the most commonly used option, the Field plugin. The Field plugin includes a wide range of field types. In the plugin settings, you can choose a field type depending on the kind of content you want to store. This includes basic fields such as text, text area, dropdown, checkbox, and other commonly used field types available in Gridbox Zero. Let's move on to the Field Group plugin. The Field Group plugin works similarly to the Field plugin and includes the same field types available in the Field plugin, but with one key difference. It allows you to add multiple fields as a group. To add a new field, click the Add icon, enter the field label, and select a field type from the list. To edit a field, click the Settings icon. In the dialog window, you can configure all of the field's options. The main advantage of the Field Group plugin is that design settings are applied to the entire group at once. This makes it especially useful when you have a list of fields that need to share the same layout and styling. Gridbox also includes field types such as button, Google Maps, image, simple gallery, slideshow, and video. These field types allow you to enrich your content with interactive and media-based elements, making your content application much more dynamic and flexible. All fields include a set of basic options. The label defines the name of the field. Description provides additional information about the field. It is displayed as a tooltip and helps users understand what the field is used for. You can also assign an icon to the label from the built-in icon library. Now, let's look at something more interesting. Admin label and admin description are used specifically in the item submission page. The values entered in these options are shown only in the admin interface, helping content editors better understand each field. Required makes the field mandatory. If this option is enabled, admin must enter a value before they can save the item page. This helps ensure that important information is always provided. Like all Gridbox plugins, fields also include design and layout options. The layout option allows you to control how the field is displayed, either horizontal or vertical, depending on how you want the label and value to be arranged. In the Design tab, you will find a wide range of styling options for both the label and the value. The Layout tab includes standard Gridbox layout settings, such as positioning, margin, padding, border, and shadow. A field can be deleted the same way as any other plugin, through the context menu. However, it is important to understand one key point. If you have already created multiple items and then delete a field, all data stored in that field will be permanently removed from all existing items.
Fields are the core building blocks of a Zero application. They define what kind of data your application stores and how it is structured. Understanding how fields work is essential before moving on to designing layouts and building the final user interface. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.